This old guy DIY video has to do with modifications to my DIY brush grubber. So having used this a few times, I went back and added this yellow vinyl tape from Office Max. So when it's laying there in the woods, it's easy to find. And the other thing I learned is that it gets old having to stick this chain back through the pipe every time. So I'm going to kind of copy the technique that old farmer used in the link I had attached to my original video. And I'm going to remove the hook here. I'm going to put a second 3/8 inch bolt in here. So I'll have a short section of chain with a couple of links hanging out. And then the process will be, when the operator has a chain running through the pipe, he just hooks that chain to the link right here. And in the course of pulling these bushes, you'll never have to run the chain through the pipe again. So I'll make that change right now. Now here is the new and improved version. You can see I have this brown chain. I used two 3-inch bolts, although based on the shear force, one should have been enough. My tractor will spin, or something else will give before this chain, or the bolts holding the chain to the pipe should break. But with this technique, now after a guy has a tree in there, he can just unhook it here, throw it around the next tree, and hook up again. And there's no need to thread that thing through the pipe. So when you're doing 15 or 20 of these in a row, it gets old threading it through the pipe. So that's why I went with this technology this time. So I hope this updated idea helps you. Please subscribe if you haven't, and have a great day.